Our top story tonight, a Ouachita Parish Sheriff deputy was arrested and charged with driving while intoxicated, but a little over 2 days later, those charges were dismissed. NBC 10's Haley Hines joins us live with more on that story. Haley, what can you tell us?
Hey, that's right, Kyla. Former OPSO Sheriff Deputy Donovan Ginn failed a field sobriety test and tested 2 times over the legal limit, earning him a DWI. Well, just 2 days later, Steve Tu, the district attorney, dropped those charges, saying he was, quote, a good guy. Sunday, January 26th at 1:35 a.m., a Louisiana state trooper observed a black Toyota 4Runner driven by former OPSO Deputy Donovan Ginn cross the center line, merge back into the correct lane, failed to signal when entering the left turn lane, and stopping 5 to 6 feet past the solid white stop line, entering the intersection at a red light. The trooper conducted a traffic stop stating he, quote, detected an odor commonly associated with alcoholic beverages emitting from his breath, and that he observed, quote, red watery eyes, slow slurred speech, and poor balance. Ginn was arrested after failing a field sobriety test and later failed an Intoxilyzer 9000 test with a body alcohol content of 0.136%. District Attorney Steve Tu then dismissed the charges. We spoke with Tu, who provided the following statement saying, quote, the decision was made based on this officer's lack of a prior criminal record. The fact that I've seen his work, he's a young man that does good police work, and I talked to him after he was arrested. He's remorseful for what happened, and I think he's a good risk to not be prosecuted. I think that if we do that, another thing may happen, and that is his career in law enforcement may be preserved. I hope it is, end quote. When asked would someone else be given the same second chance, Tu stated, quote, it's not reserved for police officers or firefighters or any specific group. We look at every person that is cited for DWI, and if they fit our criteria, they will be considered for something less than a DWI conviction. It's been done in the past, and it will be done in the future, end quote. We reached out to the Ouachita Parish Sheriff's Office about the matter and received a statement saying, quote, as of Monday, January 29, 2025, Donovan Ginn submitted his resignation. While he is no longer employed with OPSO, we wish him well in his future endeavors, end quote. Donovan Ginn had been employed with the Ouachita Parish Sheriff's Office since 2015. Reporting live from the Ouachita Parish Sheriff's Office for your Arkansas News Source, I'm Haley Hines.